Until unless these things are not created in the private sector, the private sector is not liked by at least the old people. Young people are going. If you ask me to go to some private university where they are paying more money to me, I will never prefer to go there, because here is your autonomy. I am coming at 10:30, going back at 4:30. I am enjoying the life in morning hours. I am enjoying the life in evening hours. I am looking after my family members. But if you are in private sector, they will
Many
give you some
foundations are
more
there.
money, but your family life will be disturbed. In USA and the UK, even the policemen are given the leave because they have their family. But in India, there is no concept of the leave for the policemen. So, if you want to, promote or motivate the youngster to go to any site, you will have to give the due facilities to the youngster and guarantee. If one kid is, entering in his family life, and I'm giving you one example. One of my students who did PhD with me had gone to USA. He was very happy. He has one kid, the wife. Everybody was enjoying that he is going to USA. And after 6 months, there was what happened? There was some problem so far as the funding is concerned. He was thrown back to India. Now he is on the road. A person, PhD, NET, have a very good research papers, came back from America after 6 months, he is on road in India and there is no job for him. So why he will do the research? But his research, his achievements in the academic field are not being properly acknowledged by our country person. So if such people, they are big frustrated people, if somebody will ask him, should I do the research? His answer will be no, don't do this research because it is not going to pay you anything. So these are some of the problems, and that is the reason why youngsters they used to prefer the job in the government sector where everything is guaranteed. Government sector negative thing is you are being paid salary. A person who is working hard in our system is getting the same amount as compared to a person who is not even coming to the university is also getting the same salary. So one wants a salary which should be safe whether he is working or not working. That's it.
So if we talk about college level, how can we encourage the youngsters to take up this course? Is there any way?
BTech course.
Many entrepreneur courses like BBA, MBA.
Every course is linked with the job. When there is a job opportunity, the youngster will go to that job. If there is no job opportunity in our country, you can open any course, the youngsters will not go to that. Because you see now MBBS. MBBS is a course where job is, guaranteed. If you will not get the job, you can open your shop, you will start private practice. And that is the reason everybody is running after the MBBS. They are paying a very handsome capitation fees to enter into the MBBS course. If you compare it with the BBA, BCA, then you will find nobody is interested in it because after doing BBA there is no scope. So everything is linked with the job. Youngsters are very clever. They always look after the job and the finances and the opportunities for the job. So any course will be viable only when it is linked with the job program.
Sure.
Yeah, and job youngsters what want because they have seen the last 10-year scenario where BTech students, BTech were getting a lot of salary, and now their employer have asked them, we will reduce your salary to by this. If you want to remain in our system, remain, or you go. Because in private sector there is no guarantee. Today you are boss, and next day you are on road. In government sector, it is not possible. If you are in the job, whether you do work or not, you will remain in the job up to your retirement age. Everybody is looking after the secured job. Once you are entering into the family life, you have your, if you are talking about a boy, then boy will have the wife, kids, and he wants a secure job. Whether if it is, I have seen so many people, they are getting less salary, but still they are interested in the guaranteed job because of the family problems. They are not interested to go to the private sector, even though they are getting more salary, because of there is no guarantee of it. So these are some of the things. Private sector will have to generate these things. Only then the youngster will go to these courses. Courses should not be hypothetical. You open one course of repair of the aircraft. Once upon a time, we also thought of to run this course in our university. Repair of the aircraft. It is not going to help. We plan, send it to UGC, and ultimately we stop it. So there are so many courses. They are very attractive so far as their terminology is concerned. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is a good course, but not to our country. Biotechnology, now the question, the problem is the MSc biotechnology students are just roaming on the road because they have cut off themselves from the pure botany and zoology. Those are the basic, the need of our people. If you want to do the lectureship in intermediate college, degree college, research, then everybody will ask, have you done the basic degree? Biotechnology or microbiology are the industrial courses. You can join the industry, but you cannot join the teaching or the institutions or the basic education. There you will have to pay for that. So we should design the course keeping in view the conditions of our country. Not we have to compare ourselves with the foreign countries. Therefore we are in, opening so many courses, they are of no value. And they are not of no value, at least for the Indian conditions. So that is all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.